Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out. Thank you so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So before we hop into today's tutorial, I'm just showing you guys some gel polishes that I recently purchased off of Amazon. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm just showing you that these are like gel builder polishes, and I love them. So I just wanted to show you guys. We'll be using them in today's video, but the colors are beautiful. I also got this one, which is supposed to be a milky white shade. This brand went like TikTok viral, so here's the difference between the white in the kit and the milky white shade to the left. It's a slight difference, but honestly, I don't know. You can kind of see it, so I guess it's just your preference. I'm going to keep both, but yeah, I really love these gel polishes. Like I said, we're using them in today's video, and I just wanted to show you guys that really quickly. They will be linked in my Amazon storefront. Alright, so hopping into the tutorial, we're using my brand new Coffin Extra Short Soft Gel Full Nail Covers. I honestly really love this shape. I'm more of a square type of girl, but this extra short coffin is like, I really like it. So yeah, as you guys know, you can purchase these in my Etsy shop. The link is down below. But I'm just going in now and sizing them out and making sure that they fit wall to wall. I do have new shapes, sizes, and hint colors possibly coming soon, so I'm super excited about that. If you guys want to be most up to date on new soft gel full nail covers or just products in general that are coming to my Etsy shop, you can definitely go to my Etsy and favorite my shop, and you will get alerts. Here is another new product we are using. This is my solid nail tip glue gel. This is also in my Etsy shop. I absolutely love this product. I adore this product. This is going to be my new favorite go-to. Don't get it twisted, y'all. I still am a polygel girl. I love polygel, but this product honestly just makes life so much easier. Like, it really does. So as you can see, it's kind of like, think of it as like almost like Play-Doh. Like, it's a putty type of texture. So it's like a thicker, different texture polygel, and it's so easy to use. You don't have to pull out, slip solution in a polygel brush. All you do is scoop it and literally apply it, and you're good to go. I will say with this product, you do want to make sure that you have a nice strong lamp, and you also want to make sure that you are not touching it as much as I am, because that will dilute the adhesion. You also want to make sure that your prep routine is A1, because prep is very important. If you're having problems with any product, polygel, nail glue, this nail tip glue gel, or whatever the case may be, 9 times out of 10, it's most likely your prep. So you want to make sure you have a great prep routine. I will be showing you my full prep routine in my next video with this product. It's the same, but I'm just going to show you guys the full prep routine. If you are too eager to see it and you want to see it now, if you look in my description, I do have a video linked where in that video I show you my prep routine. So yeah, but like, I purposely put this in regular speed because I want to show you guys how quick and easy it is to apply these nails. It's literally insane. 3 nails down, and look at the time. We're only 5 minutes into the video, and half of that was my intro and sizing out my full nail covers. Literally, it takes you 5-10 minutes tops. 10 minutes tops to put on all 10 nails. This product is a game changer. It really makes life so much easier, especially if you're kind of like a simple type of girl, like, you put on your gel polish and you call it a day, or you do your gel polish and designs. That's what I love to use this for. And honestly, when I actually do my real nails, this is what I go for. So yeah, I love this product. It is linked in my Etsy shop, and the link, as always, is down below. Definitely recommend giving it a try. It's so easy, it's so quick, and I'm sure you'll honestly love it. So I do my thumbs separately, and that's because you want to make sure that you're giving your thumb the attention it needs. when you put it all in and your thumb is on an angle, it's really only curing that side. So I always do my thumbs separately. And as you guys saw, if any of it spills out, you can kind of just swipe up the sides like I am doing here, and yeah, it just gets off the excess gel. So yeah, once you use it and you get the hang of it, you'll know like the perfect amount to put in your soft gel full nail covers. You can also use these with regular ABS plastic nails. With those, you might just want to make sure that you scratch up the insides of the nails first so you can have maximal adhesion. And I also do use these with false nails, fake tips, and I will be showing you guys a video of that in the future, probably in my next video. But yeah, so here's what the nails are looking like. I'm gonna go in with the gel polishes that I showed you in the intro. I'm using shade 150, which is this gorgeous nude. As I said, this is a gel builder, so it's kind of like an opaque shade. It's not a thick polish, which I love. When using soft gel full nail covers and applying gel polish, you want to make sure that you buff out your surface of the nails. So I'm going in with this nail file. I'm going in with this e-file that I got this from an Amazon seller. They sent it to me, and I'll be sure to link it down below. I just have to find the link, but yeah, I love this e-file. It's super cute. I love the cotton candy vibes. And my MelodySusie one is having a little, she needs a break. So I'm going to give her the break that she deserves. We're going to go in with this though. And it's a wireless rechargeable e-file. So this is perfect for people on the go. It also has a clip on the back. So yeah, I'm going in now with an 80/80 grit nail file. As you guys know, 80/80 is the way to go. That rhyme. Ooh. Yeah, no, girl, I don't do 180/100. That's out. Try 80/80 grit. I'm telling you, it's going to change your life. You can purchase these off of Amazon. Oh, as you see here, if you get any of the soft gel, if you get any of the glue gel on the sides, you can just go in with a clip and get it out. And I file as well. So yeah, the 80/80 grit files are linked in my Amazon storefront. Give it a try. I promise you won't go back. There, I was just wiping my nails down with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe. Those lint-free wipes are from Shein, but you can also purchase those off Amazon. And now I'm going in with my builder gel. And so there's kind of a method with this. You can't just wipe it on like it's a regular gel polish because it's a builder. So you kind of want to build the thickness. So as you can see, I kind of do it in circles. I really can't explain it too much, which is why I'm so thankful for YouTube, because it's like, you know, it's a video so you can see my method. But it's super easy. Like, don't get discouraged. Literally all I'm doing is going in circles and it's building up that gel polish. And honestly, I love this compared to, well, I guess it just depends on what type of mood I'm in. So like, yeah, do I love regular gel polish? Absolutely. But I love builder, like this type of gel polish, because it's like a rubber base, you know, builder gel base color. And I love them because they're opaque and they're most of the time like neutrals. It's just really beautiful. And I love how you can build up the thickness you want. If you want a high apex, you can achieve that with these looks. It's very versatile, and I always love the shades. So when I do my own nails, I definitely prefer going in with these types of shades. I will link this down below, and it will also be linked in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, you guys can definitely check that out. I don't know, I might start selling some of these as well, because it is kind of hard to find a good one. I will say that. So who knows? If you guys are interested in this product, let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely research some, find some of the best ones, and add it to my Etsy shop, and also add some good ones on my Amazon storefront so you can purchase it on there as well. So yeah, y'all, it's really easy. I mean, on this nail, I'm not gonna lie, I did it a little bit too thick. And you can do that. You can make it a little bit too thick, and if you do, you just kind of wanna, you can go in with a nail brush, like a fine tip nail brush. Make sure you get around those cuticles really good. I'll make a separate video about builder base. It's more in depth because this one's definitely not in depth enough. But yeah, you want to make sure that you wiping the sides of your nails as well. I didn't do that in this video, or maybe I did on a few nails, but you want to make sure you wipe the sides because it can get too thick on the sides and make your nails wider than what you probably want them to be. So yeah, that's just another tip there. But like I said, I will do another video in the future on my tips and tricks with gel builder, rubber base coat, yeah, polishes. There's so many different names for them. They're like all the same to me, but it's definitely a difference between this and regular gel polish for sure. So bam, we're gonna go in with a top coat. This is by the brand NKK. As you guys know, this brand kind of blew up on TikTok. I honestly love this top coat. It's one of my favorites. It's a subtle glitter, no wipe top coat, and I love it. It's like one of my go-tos. This and the Model 1s, my two go-tos. Those are really the only top coats I use nowadays. So I'm just curing my thumb first, and then I go in, like I said, and cure all the rest of my fingers. I always make sure that I give my thumb the separate attention that it needs. So yeah, I'm just going in and finishing off the rest of my nails. Alright, so we're going to go in with our design. I'm using this pinpoint nail glue that I purchased off of Amazon. Well, definitely a favorite. This is essential. If you do nail bling, you need this. This is linked in my Amazon storefront, but you can find it under like drill point nail glue, drill point nail gel, whatever. But I will have it linked. Yeah, I had a moment here. This is straight up nail glue. So you don't have to cure it. Now I will say there is this type of gel, this type of glue that's gel, so you do have to cure it. But the specific one I have is nail glue, so it dries in like 10 seconds. I don't know why I cured it. I was thinking that it was a gel. It's not. So if you buy this one off of my Amazon storefront, don't put it in the nail lamp. I had a moment there. But yeah, I'm just going in with these rhinestones that I also purchased off of Amazon. And everything is linked down below in the description. Everything is linked. I promise everything is linked. But yeah, I'm going in with some cuticle oil. This is my old cuticle oil. I do have a new cuticle oil that will be coming to my storefront hopefully next week. I'm super excited to show you guys that. But yeah, I say in every video, don't matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, that is not it, girl. You want to make sure you hydrate those cuticles. But here's the final look. Obsessed, so in love, so simple and easy, and such a cute design. Let me know how you guys like this look. As I said 1,000,001 times, everything is linked down below in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.